They have a lot more line brand at Walmart, more varieties. Ours got some new, the new mandala cakes that Frog had shown. Come on. Oh shit, hold on. No. There we go. Your white Karen from Joann's. You can take 30 or 40 steps and walk across the store. I've had some really small ones too. See what you did? You can't use anything with wool in it. I don't think I use... I mean, I have some that have wool in it, like my Malabrigo, which is my favorite. But that's so rare that I have that. They're mostly fabric. With ours being the pilot store, it has a lot of everything. And then we actually have, there's another one that's been made to look like that as well, and it has the same like full yarn wall. But our Walmart has like maybe 8 feet of yarn. Well, no, probably closer to 15. Hydrate. Ugh, cups over here. Did I yawn? I got new snacks and I left them upstairs. Oh, I haven't opened these gummy bears yet either. Okay, 2 rows and then decrease. Hi! You got hives from just touching the wool yarn your mom had. Yeah. Yep. That's how allergies work. I know, Carly is allergic to wool. Well, I remember she thought she was allergic to wool, and then she thought that maybe it was certainly like dyes instead. And I can't remember if it ended up being the dyes or just the wool, but she's same thing. She's allergic to certain yarns. Like, and if she even touches them, it's like her whole arm becomes inflamed. For like 16 hours, too long. I hope you have a good day, Frog. I hope you enjoy your nap. This got real fuzzy in this one section. It's not my favorite. Like, it looks like a completely different color. You're allergic to dyeing. Your Joann's Etc. is the best. We had Joann's Etc., but no. I was gonna say it's one of the ones that's been redone, but I think there's another one out on 71. Oh my god, that's awful, Crafty. You know the stupidest, most asinine people, I swear. What about a soap opera? No. Hobby Lobby has the best clearances, Michael's has the best sales in stock, and Joann's has the better coupons. So you like, yeah, that's, you started with the wrong color again. No. Oh, the music. Let's see. Our Joann's has the best clearance at the moment. But it's all fabric. And I've bought most of what I wanted. I very rarely find Hobby Lobby yarn on clearance. And I tend to not get yarn from Hobby Lobby because it's ridiculously expensive and it's only their brand. But when I do, like, it's very specific things that I'll get. Our Michael's selection of yarn is almost pure garbage. Like, I've gotten to the point where, like, I don't like Impeccable, so I don't use that a whole lot, and then a lot of the other stuff that they have isn't really what I need. And Riel, hi! Thank you for the raid! How are you? Did you see your burb? Did you see him? Raid! How was your stream? What'd you do today? Oh, Zelda, nice! The shelf cleaners at Hobby Lobby they do. You like the choices on Lovecrafts. I do too. It takes them a bit to ship sometimes. It's almost always faster than it says it'll be. But that's my general frustration, is that you have to wait. You love your burp? I thought he was really cute. Crafts by VBD, hi, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the channel. Have some carrots for you, bunny. You want a screaming fairy armadillo. Okay. Nelly Lynn, thank you for the follow as well. Welcome to the channel. Have some carrots for you, bunny. It's super expensive. Yeah. Well, it depends on what you're getting, but yeah. Hi! You were Canada Replay Plus. Very nice. The 40% off coupon. Yep. A paint box order. Maybe. Oh, that's true. You could use it for the online card. It's a real animal, not the one I'm gonna draw. Hi! What are you doing? Are you here to say hi to all the raiders? Say, it's my birthday. I turned 1. Come here. Come on, get back up here. Come on. What are you doing? Come here. Up here. Okay, fine. I'll just ignore her and she'll get up on her own, probably. Okay, I think I'm caught up. It's Piper's birthday, it is. Hi, Kate. Hi! Come here. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna ignore this puppy. Today's my birthday. I'm a whole 1 year old, and today I got a puppy ice cream, and I got so many snacks. And I'll get my bark box later. Yeah? Do you want your bark box? Her name's Piper. Everybody says happy birthday. Your happy birthday, puppy. Come here. Ow. She headbutted me. Is it your birthday? What's your birthday, doggo? Can you just sit still? I gotcha. I promise. Where'd you go, puppy? Piper. Timothy. Better variation of brands. Yeah. Yeah, I like Impeccable for what it is, but for the most part, it's not one of my favorites. She just doesn't like being held. I think it's because, well, like up. I think it's because she's so long. Oh, you're so long, dog? Long dog, Johnson. No. Hi, can I have kisses? No? Okay. No! You got all your snugs. Now we have to draw a fairy armadillo. But first, the lint roller. Yeah, see, first it's lint rolling time. Piper, there's Mystery Machine fluff everywhere. Where is your Mystery Machine? Did you, like, murder it completely? Is it dead forever? Oh, he's right here. She ripped the tire out, and I think she's going for the squeaker. With this? Hi. Whoop. What was that? Was that noisy? Alright. We're drawing a, what is it, a screaming fairy armadillo? I like it already. Watch out! No, this isn't for you, it's paper. Get you. Do you want to draw a picture too? Cover her raccoon ears because it's made with Impeccable. I mean, like, I would never judge anyone for using it, and I certainly have a lot of it. It's just, it's really rough on your hands. Alright. Screaming Fairy Armadillo. Oh boy. You may have mashed up 2 different armadillos by accident, but who cares? No, I'll take it. What are you doing? What's today? The 20... It's your birthday! We know what day it is. Do you want a puppy booster seat? Let's see what we can come up with. What do we put you on? I have an idea. You stay here. Or come with me, that's fine. Go on. Yeah, let's get you a puppy couch. I'm not going up there. I'm going in here. Yes, my mom has plans for you. Hold on. We'll go get your bed first. Hi, buddy. Come here. Let's get your bed. Come on. Spoiled dog. Come on, up here. Come on. Get up here. Up. She's looking at me like I don't know what to do. Up. Come here, right here. You can get up there. Come on. Just like jumping on the couch, only shorter. No, come here. Piper, come here. Come here, what are you doing? You want a strawberry? Come here. Come on. Do you want a cookie? You really want a cookie, huh? Can you get it up here? Oh! What you do it? She did it for a Scooby snack.